So Creative Rural Communities are a team based in the rural Vale of Glamorgan. We support communities and enterprises to pilot new initiatives. We spend a lot of time nurturing and developing new groups or organisations that need some help and some facilitation to try out new ideas and signpost them to various types of help, support and funding. Creative Rural Communities was founded in 2004. We started off with a very small grant scheme and a small team of people. Generally, we were here to do the same as we're doing now, but on a much smaller scale. Over the years, we've had lots of different types of funding, and since 2015, we've been funded by the LEADER programme, which is part of the Rural Development Plan for Wales.
The benefit of piloting new activities is that you can try out new initiatives or new ways of doing things without huge expenditure, and also it in a local government, councils tend to be a bit cautious about spending massive resource on trying out new things, so you're able to find out what works without that huge level of expenditure. The future of the Creative Rural Communities approach in the Vale I think is going to be mainstreamed throughout the whole organisation. We fully recognise the importance of community engagement. We want to do so much more. Looking back, there aren't many of the hugely innovative initiatives in the council that haven't had that little bit of sort of fairy dust from Creative Rural Communities to help them on their way, and we want to do much more of that, working with communities, enabling them and building the sort of capacity and skills within communities that Creative Rural Communities are so good at.
So we've supported a wide range of projects over the years, from getting new community groups started and new networks such as Glamorgan Smallholders, Tut Beach. We're involved in lots of different things like Paws in the Vale, a project to support tourism with dogs. We do lots of projects with different types of food initiatives, worked with operators to develop their school trip offer, lots of different things, very varied, often very community-led or very local enterprise-led.
It's really important that we have initiatives such as Creative Rural Communities to allow communities to have a voice, to be self-determining, to be strong, which is what we're trying to do as a council, and to be self-determining. Through Creative Rural Communities, we've proved that that can happen, and we want to do that right the way across the Vale.